Hello, everybody, and welcome to New Jersey Lockdown 101 of the COVID-19 virus on how to make hand sanitizer. This is actually going to be a quick video. It's pretty simple if you can get the ingredients, if people haven't beaten you to it already. Hand sanitizer is the first thing that runs out during a viral outbreak in a pandemic such as this one, like Purell, and you can actually make it at home. It only involves 3 ingredients, which are the isopropyl alcohol, which usually is 99%, which they recommend. However, if you can't find 99 because that has already been sold out, you can use the 91% and greater, which will work as well, which is what we have here today. Number 2 is aloe gel, which again, another tough thing to find, but you can find it in grocery stores and Walgreens, CVS, usually in the aisle where they do seasonal products for the summer. And number 3 is actually lemon juice. So you're going to need these 3 items to make hand sanitizer. The first thing they tell you is that take the aloe vera gel and to do 1/4 cup of the aloe vera. So we're going to take this and put it right in here to get about 1/4 of a cup, which is about that, as much as you can see. The next thing they tell you to do, step number 2, is the alcohol. And they recommend 3/4 of a cup of alcohol. So that'll bring me all the way up here. So let's fill this sucker up with alcohol, shall we? There we go. Right to about a cup. And the last thing they tell you to do is to put about 10 drops of lemon juice. Oh, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you mix it all together. That's why you have your spoon with you. And you take this and mix it all together. And wait for a minute for things to harden up a little bit, let it set. And there you go. Homemade hand sanitizer. You have a whole bunch of it that you don't have to go out to the store and waste several $100s if it gets to that price from price gouging in these times of need. And hopefully everybody will get through this pandemic with me now that you have been sanitized from home. Thank you, everybody, and have a great day, and stay safe.